Ever pondered how horses, these magnificent creatures, shaped the course of human history and warfare? Let's take a gallop back in time. We begin with the early domestication of horses, an event that transformed the trajectory of human civilization. Imagine a time when humans first began to build a relationship with these magnificent animals, harnessing their strength and speed for their own use. Now let's journey to the grand civilizations of Egypt, Greece, and Rome. Here, horses were revered not only for their beauty but also for their vital role in transportation and agriculture. They were the engine that powered the ancient world, making trade and travel possible across vast territories. But their impact was most profoundly felt on the battlefield. Horses were the heart of ancient warfare, from pulling chariots to carrying warriors into battle. Their speed, agility, and raw power transformed military tactics and strategies. From pulling chariots to carrying warriors into battle, horses have been indispensable to human progress. As warfare evolved, so did the role of our four-legged comrades. From the early days of chariot warfare to the modern era of cavalry, horses have played a pivotal role in shaping the outcomes of countless battles and wars. In ancient times, horses were primarily used to pull chariots, serving as the engines of war. Their speed and endurance made them perfect for this role. The charioteers would stand in their chariots, driving their horses into the heat of battle. The thundering hooves and imposing presence of these chariots often struck fear into the hearts of the enemy. But as warfare strategies changed, so did the role of horses. They transitioned from pulling chariots to carrying warriors directly into the fray. This was the birth of cavalry warfare, a tactic that would dominate for centuries. The horse's speed, power, and size provided a distinct advantage in battle, allowing riders to strike quickly and retreat just as swiftly. During the medieval period, the significance of horses in warfare became even more pronounced. This was the era of the heavy war horse, a breed specifically developed for the battlefield. These horses were strong and sturdy, capable of carrying a fully armored knight into battle. The sight of these mighty beasts charging towards the enemy was truly a sight to behold. As time went on, warfare continued to evolve, and so did the breeds of horses used. The heavy war horses of the medieval era gave way to lighter, faster breeds. These horses were more agile, capable of navigating complex terrains and outpacing enemies. They were no longer just the engines of war, but the very heart of the battlefield. Throughout history, horses have been more than just tools of war. They've been companions, symbols of power, and crucial elements in countless victories. Their evolution mirrors our own journey through the ages, from the simple chariot to the complex strategies of modern warfare. These noble beasts went from being the engines of war to the very heart of the battlefield. So, where do horses stand in our world today, far removed from the clashing of swords and the roar of cannons? Well, the advent of mechanized vehicles signaled a decline in the use of horses in warfare. The once thunderous charge of cavalry was replaced by the roar of engines and the rumble of tank tracks. Yet horses didn't fade into obscurity. They simply transitioned from the battlefield to other roles. In many parts of the world, horses still hold a place of honor in ceremonial roles. They add a touch of majesty to royal weddings, state funerals, and parades, reminding us of their historic significance. Moreover, horses have found a new battlefield in the sporting world. From the thrill of horse racing, the elegance of dressage, to the excitement of polo, these magnificent creatures continue to captivate us with their strength and grace. They also offer therapeutic and recreational activities, forming deep bonds with humans in the process. Though their role in warfare has diminished, the legacy of horses remains ingrained in our culture and history. The journey of horses through the ages is a testament to their resilience and our enduring bond with them. We've seen how horses have shaped the course of human history, serving as loyal companions in war and peace. From pulling chariots in ancient Egypt to charging into battle during the Middle Ages, horses have played an integral role in warfare, evolving with us through the ages. In the modern world, their roles have transformed yet again. No longer the steeds of war, they've become symbols of grace, agility, and speed in sports, and their therapeutic presence enriches our lives in countless ways. In essence, horses have journeyed from the heart of battlefields to the heart of human society. Their story is not just one of evolution, but of a deep, enduring connection between two species. From the battlefields of yore to the sports arenas of today, horses continue to gallop alongside us, their hoofbeats echoing through time.